Okay, guys, we moved all the boats today. We're out of the harbor, and we got a. No, I'm pointing at me, guys. We moved out of the harbor today. All the boats have left honeymoon. We do have a serious storm coming at us, named Fiona. So it's a little different this time. Not time to move. So we all go into the pond, Flamingo Pond. A lot of boats went to Vieques, Calabria, and that's what we do. In storms, you gotta move. You gotta get your boat out of here. This harbor's too exposed. Definitely too. There's a couple brave people hanging on here. I hope they're making the right decision. We'll find out. Check it out. Look how empty this harbor is, right? 3 boats left. 3 boats and honeymoon. I think tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Friday morning. Beautiful day so far, but the storm's coming tonight. So we'll see how it goes. I'm here with beautiful Nairobi, and we have a boat. Let's check it out. It's a beautiful boat on this Friday before the storm. Beautiful boat. And customers, 2 customers coming in, maybe 3, the day before the storm. Some regulars here, regular customers. I guess there's a storm coming, but you never know it. It's beautiful out. Preparing moorings for the hurricane. Or the storm, whatever. Okay guys, it's 6:30 in the morning. Turns out Fiona's gone a bit south of us. Not too bad. There's some really good gusts in here, but overall, pretty good so far. I'll keep you updated. Okay, it's 7:30, and still pretty nice. Winds are picking up, getting gusts to about 30 knots of wind. Still nice in here though, in the mangroves, really calm. All right, I'll keep you updated. Guys, I leave the bar last night. Everything was cool. Everything was fine. And I come back today to this mess. These girls are out of control. I am so sick of it. They're out of control. Okay guys, this thing is currently south of us, but it is turning into a hurricane. So I'm hoping it stays south. Puerto Rico, it looks like they're going to see a hurricane. Things are getting real out here as this thing turns into a hurricane. So fortunately it's going south of us. I hope it stays south. They've been known to turn north and come right at us. But like I said, tucked away here in a little pond, so far so good. Guys, you won't believe it. I'm here with Kevin. He said he was going to help. Get this. He's helping. Somebody needs non-alcoholic beer. And so we found it on the bottom, the Heineken. My buddy, they got it. Yeah. Bam, look at that.
Happened to everybody.
Heineken Zero, we got it. All right, kid.
All right.
Get it out of here.
Let's some on ice.
Yeah.
Take 2.
Yeah, take a couple, yeah. Put them on ice. I tell you, I bought that for her, you know.
That's perfect. Well,
yeah, sweet.
She's drinking them.
Success, another successful mission by Kevin. Appreciate you, buddy. What chickens do in storms. Hide in our bar.
She's like, no, I want a cup of water. And then she's sniffing the chicken.
I'm telling you, this is not going to end well. I want to get this on video because this is not going to end well. This is not going to end well. There's chicken up there. You see the chicken?
Oh, you just not seen it?
I just saw it.
We're not throwing things at it.
Oh.
Let's liven this party up.
Yeah, get it going. Let's get this party started. Oh, yeah.
It's not bothering anything, no.
Yeah, but it'll be fun. Whoa! Oh, knock the head off one of my girls.
You didn't take it home with you.
Oh no. Hey guys, about 5:30 in the morning, here Sunday morning, and we are finally seeing some strong winds here. I would say those still just gusts to maybe 40. I'll get some more video when the sun comes up. Okay guys, Sunday morning, 6 o'clock. Really the whole thing was a non-event. We're getting the very, very top of this hurricane, but really nothing. A couple gusts. It's just about by us now. A couple of gusts, maybe 40 gusts. That's about it. But flyers aboard in here, good place to be.